Hi everyone, this is part 2 of the videos. Okay, so I know that the graph may be difficult for some of you, okay, but trust me that you can still do the calculation, okay, without the graphs, okay. So I will talk about examples 10.7 in your textbook, page 10.32. Okay, so the question asks you to find the maximum and minimum values, okay, for the following functions. Okay, for part A, it is y equals to sine x plus 2. So let's recall from the previous video, what is the range for sine theta? Okay, the question just changed the theta into x. Okay, so what is the range for sine x? Okay, so it is -1 and 1. Okay, and we know that for the maximum point it is 1, and for the minimum point it is -1. So for this question, when we want to calculate the maximum value of y, so between -1 and 1, what should we put for sine x in order to find the maximum value? Yes, of course, it is 1. So we put it as 1 plus 2. So the answer is 3. Okay, so similarly, for the minimum value of y, again, in order to find the minimum value of y, what should we put for the sine x in order to find the minimum? Yes, the answer is the opposite one. It is -1. So plus 2, and the answer is 1. Then we solve the answer. We get the solution, we get the answer of this question. So similarly for part B, so now we are discussing y equals to 1 minus 2 cosine x. Okay, but don't forget it is -2. Okay, so again, what is the maximum and minimum value for cosine x? Again, it is same as sine x, that is 1 and -1. Okay, so when we want to find the maximum value of y, so this time 1 minus 2. So what should we put in the bracket? Okay, so if we put a positive number, it will become 1 minus something. So therefore, we have to put a negative number, so that negative will become positive, so that we can add the number ups. Okay, so 1 plus 2, and it will give you 3. So if you understand that, then the minimum value of y will be the opposite. So 1 minus 2, so it will become -1. So for the remaining time, please help me to finish the correct practice 10.7. And for today's homework, it will be exercise 10B, question 6 to 11.